Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, maybe Nigeria. And once again, me don come with breaking news. Me don come with updates. Me get report wey I wan share give the general public. And this informate, my good people, na about the banter wey dey happen between Senator Natasha and the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio. You know say the Kogi Central Senator don condemn the action of the Nigerian Senate wey give her suspension chop. And no be lie, the Senate suspend her from office for 6 months. And this her suspension so na based on the recommendation of the Senate Committee on Ethnics, Privileges and Public Petition. And the suspension come board on Thursday, wey be the 6th day of March for inside this year 2025. And on that particular day during plenary, Senator Neda Emashun, wey be chairman of the committee, can recommend make them suspend the female senator for her total violation of the Senate Standing Rules 2023 as amended. Say they bring the Senate leader and the entire Senate to public shame. The chairman cause the yarn say for the Senate to consider removing the suspension or reduce the duration of her suspension, so she must submit written apology to the Senate before they go last con reconsider. And the recommendation also dey include say make dem lock her office for the period wey she go dey on suspension, plus they go withdraw her salary and any form of alawi wey she dey receive before. But Senator Natasha wey dey give suspension chop, so she is not happy about the level normally. And for her response wey she drop on top her verified social media handles, she con dey yarn say her suspension dey very much illegal and it dey against natural justice. According to how she take voice out the talk, she say against the culture of silence, intimidation and victim shaming, her unjust suspension from the Nigerian Senate invalidates the principles of natural justice, fairness and equity. But however, my good people, she consider yarn say the illegal suspension no go withdraw her legitimacy as a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and she go continue to dey use her duly elected position to serve her constituents and her country, wey be this our green white green country, so to the best of her ability till the year 2027 and even beyond. And you know say before her suspension come board, so Senator Natasha wey dey represent Kogi Central Senatorial District, she bin submit another sexual harassment petition against the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio. Senator Natasha wey be say she na chairman for the Senate Committee on Diaspora and NGOs, she last submit the petition again during Thursday plenary after the Senate Committee on Ethnics, Code of Conduct and Public Petitions bin reject the first petition wey she submit. During the presentation, the Kogi lawmaker say na her constituents under leadership of one Zubairu Yakubu na file the new petition wey she submit so. Then after the presentation, the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio come ask whether e get any law wey dey ground wey go prevent the Senate from accepting the petition. She come respond say no, e no get any law wey dey ground wey go fit prevent them from not accepting. Then the Senate President now come refer the new petition to the Ethics Committee with order to report back to the plenary within 4 weeks after legislative review. Now my good people, more no forget say Senator Natasha bin present one petition of sexual harassment allegations against the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio during Wednesday plenary, but the Senate reject am. The chief whip of the Senate wey be Senator Mohammed Mongunu, he raise point of order and he will talk about Senate Standing Order 40, and he come dey argue say they no fit attend to or refer the petition to the Senate because of one court case wey dey concern Senator Natasha and Ekaete Akpabio wey be the wife of the Senate President. But however, he say dem fit consider the petition since na Senator Natasha na personally sign am. Now on top this very particular matter, men don dey talk. One countryman wey dey go by the name Kingdom Okere, he na human rights lawyer. In the yarn say the accuse of sexual harassment na very serious matter, and the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio, he no fit continue to dey sit as the Senate President to preside over a petition wey dey against himself. So they dey call on Godswill Akpabio make him do the needful, make him honorably step aside so that this matter go dey thoroughly investigated. And the former Senate President wey be Bukola Saraki sef even talk similar thing when he chook mouth for this matter. And him now come recall when somebody also make allegation against am when he be the president of the 8th Senate. And according to Oga Saraki, instead that time he step aside as Senate President and he allow him deputy to lead the investigation into the allegation. And he say normally the leadership of the 10th Senate supposed to do the same thing. Anyhow this informate be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another informate concerning this whole matter wey I still need share give the general public. And the koko be say, one former lawmaker wey dey represent Kaduna Central for inside the Nigerian Senate, this man dey go by the name Shehu Sani. He now don come outside come sama warning say normally whistle blowing for inside the red chamber wey be the Nigerian Senate, the leadership or the lawmakers they no dey support am at all. They no dey tolerate whistle blowing. He now come dey talk about the challenges wey he may face during his time as a lawmaker. On Thursday wey be the 6th day of March for inside this year 2025, Oga Sani come dey drop suggestion. He now come dey yarn say e get one unwritten rule like that wey dey for inside the Nigerian Senate, and that rule dey prevent lawmakers from engaging in any form of whistle blowing. And now for inside one post wey the former lawmaker drop for his official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X, and this particular post so im drop am just few hours after the Nigerian Senate suspend Senator Natasha. For this post, the former lawmaker Shehu Sani dey yarn say na only divine intervention na go fit save a lawmaker from the wrath of the leadership of the red chamber, which is the Nigerian Senate, in situations like this. He say when him wey be Shehu Sani bin publicly disclose the salaries and allowance of senators dem, when him bin blow the whistle of the kind money wey senators dey carry dey go house on a monthly, that thing nearly make am chop 6 months suspension if not for divine intervention, if not for immediate rescue of Saraki and Ekweremadu. And Oga Sani constantly yarn say e go good make men put am for back of their mind say if dem dey there, if they are in that position, if they dey for inside the Nigerian Senate and you blow whistle too loudly, omo, you are on your own. Oyo is the case, because no single senator go bring out their head or bring out their neck to come support you. And no be lie, my good people. No say I been give a report one time about the case of Senator Abdul Ningi. Some time ago, he come outside come blow whistle on budget padding and he chop suspension of 3 months. So this, my good people, now the information I want share give the general public. Anyhow the koko be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. No say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give on legit news on politics and many other level wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, we be Nigeria. So if you like this news and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news they come, now go first receive the updates and you even get them sharp. Now beg try make you dey share the news, give your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. Make they come back again with more legit for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.